Hi, Chef Day here.
Today I'll be making vegetarian steamed gyoza. Are you looking for a healthy dumpling recipe? Try this vegetarian steamed gyoza filled with tofu and cabbage. They are delicious, nutritious, and oil-free. For the full recipe, scan the QR code or click the link in the description. You will need 1/4 of cabbage, 25 seeds of gyoza wrappers, 1 block of frozen tofu, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger soy sauce. Step 1. Thaw the frozen tofu. Finely chop the cabbage in a food processor. Transfer it to a bowl, mix with salt, and let it sit for 10 minutes. Wrap the chopped cabbage and tofu separately in paper towels and squeeze out excess water. Step 2. In a large bowl, combine the drained cabbage and tofu. Add the egg, garlic ginger soy sauce. Mix everything well until thoroughly combined. Step 3. Place a gyoza wrapper on your bowl. Moisten the edges of the wrapper with water. Place 1 to 2 teaspoons of the filling in the center of the wrapper. Pinch the edges together to seal. Step 4. Wet the bamboo steamer with water. Place a layer of cabbage leaves at the bottom to prevent sticking. Arrange the gyoza on top of the cabbage leaves. Step 5. Fill a pot with plenty of water and bring it to a boil. Place a steamer ring on the pot and set the bamboo steamer on top. Steam the gyoza over medium heat for about 10 minutes. Place the bamboo steamer on a large plate. Serve the gyoza with your preferred dipping sauce. I hope you enjoyed this vegetarian steamed gyoza. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.